Hey everyone, if you've been thinking about starting an online store or expanding your current e-commerce business, then you're going to love this exclusive offer I have for you today. I'm partnering with Shopify to bring you an amazing deal that's going to save you big as you launch your online store. Here's the deal. By clicking the exclusive link in the description below, you'll get access to Shopify's best offer available right now. And as of today, that's the first 3 months for just $1 per month. No promo codes or complicated steps, just click the link and the deal will be automatically applied when you sign up. If you're new to Shopify, this is the perfect opportunity to get started. You'll get 3 months to explore the platform, set up your store, and start selling without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking to sell physical products, digital downloads, or services, Shopify has everything you need to get your business up and running quickly. For those watching this during a full review or tutorial, don't forget to check the link in the description. Clicking it will unlock this exclusive offer, giving you a free trial and an incredible deal for your first few months. You won't find a better way to get started with Shopify than this. Shopify offers everything you need to create a professional looking store, track your inventory, accept payments, and scale your business all in one platform. Whether you're just getting started or looking to take your business to the next level, Shopify has you covered. But remember, this offer is constantly updated to ensure you're getting the best deal possible. So make sure you click the link below to secure the best rate Shopify is offering right now. Get started with Shopify today, take advantage of this incredible deal, and set your business up for success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.